7 Ways to Escape Poverty. Poverty is a term that means different things to different people. It is a harsh reality for many individuals and families around the world. Poverty can cause hopelessness and despair for those who are born into it or face circumstances that push them into it. While it can be challenging to escape, there are ways to avoid it and find a way out. In this video, we will discuss the 7 ways to escape poverty or avoid it altogether. These ways are backed by research and have been proven to be effective. Welcome to Joseph Leopard Finance, the channel where you can learn all about personal finance, investing, and wealth building. Do you want to learn how to make your money work for you? Then you're in the right place. I've spent years studying finance and I am here to share everything I've learned with you. So, if you are new to the channel, please click the subscribe button for more types of videos like these and ring the notification so you won't miss one. Let's get right into the video. Number 1. Education. The first and most significant tool for poverty eradication is education. Education is the key to success, and it is the key that you will need for this fight. The less you know, the more susceptible you are to being taken advantage of, and you don't want anyone to do that. Understanding financial literacy is crucial. Most schools do not provide a financial literacy foundation, so you have to learn it somewhere else or by yourself. You should learn in depth about financial products, your rights, the whole credit world, financial markets, personal finance, credit scores, financial statements, and so on. All this knowledge will set you ahead of most people and help you save more. It will also open your eyes to which deals are the best for you. With this knowledge, you will be able to identify scams that could ruin your financial world. No one can take advantage of you if you know how things work in the world. And that's why education is empowering. Arm yourself with knowledge because one day, it'll be your best defense. But before we move on, please comment below if you can relate to the video. And if you find this video helpful and interesting, please consider liking the video and share it to your loved ones and friends. Back to the video. Number 2. Developing skills. At the core of poverty is a lack of money, but it is also deeply associated with lack of skills. Learning a relevant skill is among the best strategies you can implement to escape poverty. Learn a skill that people want to pay for. Numerous free resources can help you develop and be great at the skill you want. You can learn from your local carpenter, shoemaker, mechanic, and other trades. You can also learn from books and the internet to be good at design, programming, marketing, etc. Doing decent work will be the stepping stone in this journey. With the right mindset, you'll earn a simple living that will boost your confidence, and you'll be proud of yourself and how far you've come. When you master that skill, learn more on the job and be the best in your community. Be that person that everyone wants to work with, and maybe eventually work for. Use your skills to make a living and add value to yourself by always looking for what's next. Always seek growth and never get comfortable. Number 3. Learning to sell. Making sales is the basis for everything in this world. If you can master the skill for selling, you'll make a lot of money in this world. The highest paid career in this world is sales. Most of the richest people in the world are best at selling. They sell their vision, their products, their services, and their skills. You have to master the art of selling. The beauty of this skill is that anyone can learn it, and you don't need a fancy education or a special ability. You can start small. For example, selling something to your neighbors, families, friends, strangers, and eventually, you'll master the best sales skills and approaches that will allow you to easily sell whatever it is at your local supermarket or big organization. You can even create your franchise and sell internationally. There is no limit to selling. Our whole world operates on the principle of buying and selling. Number 4. Utilize government programs. Many governments offer programs and assistance to help individuals living in poverty. These programs can range from food assistance to job training to house assistance. Take the time to research and understand what programs are available in your area and how they can benefit you. Some programs may have eligibility requirements, so make sure you meet the criteria before applying. Don't be afraid to seek assistance if you need it. These programs are put in place to help individuals who are struggling to make ends meet and there's no shame in utilizing them. Number 5. Budgeting and saving. One of the most significant obstacles to escaping poverty is the lack of financial literacy. Many individuals living in poverty do not know how to budget their money effectively or how to save for the future. Learning how to manage your money and create a budget is crucial to achieving financial stability. Start by creating a budget and tracking your expenses to see where you can cut back and save money. Set a savings goal and work towards it each month. Once you have built up some savings, consider investing in stocks, bonds, or real estate. Investing can help you build wealth over time and secure your financial future. Start by tracking your expenses and income to identify areas where you can cut back on spending. Create a budget that allows you to cover your basic needs while setting aside money for savings. Even small savings can add up over time and help you build a financial cushion. Number 6. Building a network. Building a strong network of people who can support you and help you is crucial for escaping poverty. This can include family members, friends, mentors, and colleagues. Having a network of people who believe in you and can offer guidance and support can make all the difference. Networking can also help you learn about job opportunities and connect with potential employers. Attend industry events and conferences. Join professional organizations. And reach out to people on LinkedIn. Building relationships with people in your desired field can help you land your dream job and advance in your career. Number 7. Take advantage of opportunities. Opportunities can come in many forms, and it's essential to be open to them. Attend networking events, participate in job fairs, and join community groups. These activities can help you meet new people, learn new skills, and discover new opportunities. Don't be afraid to take a new challenge or try something new. It may be uncomfortable at first, but stepping out of your comfort zone can lead you to new opportunities and experiences. In conclusion, poverty is a complex issue that affects millions of individuals worldwide. Escaping poverty requires effort, determination, and a willingness to learn and grow. By focusing on education, developing skills, learning to sell, maintaining a positive mindset, utilizing government programs, budgeting and saving, and taking advantage of opportunities, individuals can take steps to escape poverty and achieve financial stability. Remember that escaping poverty is not an overnight process, and it may take time to achieve your goals. Stay focused, stay motivated, and stay positive. With effort and perseverance, you can create a better future for yourself and your loved ones. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful in your journey towards financial stability. Thank you for watching Joseph Leopard Finance, your go-to channel for all things personal finance, investing, and wealth building. I hope you found value in today's video and that it inspires you to take action towards your financial goals. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like these. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Join our community by leaving a comment below and let us know what financial topics you'd like us to cover next. Remember, financial freedom is possible for anyone, and we're here to help you make it happen. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.